In Western New York, workers at the Cassadaga Job Corp Center voted to form the Cassadaga Guardians of the Hill, a 76-member bargaining unit representing nurses, instructors, and other professional staff at facilities across the region. The center provides career and life skills training for adults preparing for the workplace. Please welcome President and Treasurer of the Cassadaga Guardians of the Hill, Jake Brock and Eric Pasquale.
I started this union journey back in October of 2023. Our center had just transitioned to a new contractor, and right away we saw cracks forming. Staff concerns were going unheard, pay scales weren't being honored. There were major issues with the 401ks and our PTO. At one point, we didn't even have basic supplies like toilet paper for our students in the dorm, notebooks in the classroom. We weren't asking for luxuries, just the essentials to do our jobs and take care of our students. We've been working to negotiate our first contract, and it's been a long road. Slow progress, a lot of spinning wheels, hitting wall after wall, but we stayed at the table. We filed charges when we needed to, and eventually, after several NLRB complaints and a lot of pressure, we're starting to see signs of movement. They're listening. Not as much as we'd like, but much more than before. The process has reminded me that organizing is more than just winning the vote. It's about standing together, staying with the hard conversations, and not backing down until there's real accountability and respect. That's what we're building at Cassadaga, and I believe we're going to come out stronger on the other side.
What started as a casual lunch meeting at a local sports bar snowballed quickly into a grassroots effort to get our own chapter up and running. The knowledge that a union would provide support in our day-to-day work lives, transparency in decision-making, and fair and secure work environment really resonated with our staff. After holding our election this past July, I was over the moon to learn that an incredible 98% of eligible voters decided in favor of unionism.